All right, so today we got to come up with some gold because I got to give some gold away. So we're going to see what we can find in some buckets of dirt in our garage, and then maybe add something to it, make up some pay dirt. And at the end of the video, we're going to do a duck race, see which one of my members or patrons is the winner and gets a bag of pay dirt and something from goldiswhereyoufind it.com. So smash the like button. Let's get to it. Sometimes you might encounter a really small creek, but you still want to find some gold, and you're thinking about using a sluice box, but there really just isn't any flow, and so there's not a really good way to just set your sluice box in the stream and find some gold. So let me show you what I do when I encounter that situation. Well, you don't want to overlook small little creeks like this because there definitely could be some gold in smaller creeks this size. I've had a decent amount of luck in places like this with almost no flow whatsoever. I like to put my pump inside of a classifier like this. It just prevents you from sucking sticks and leaves and stuff like that into your pump. Now today I'm just going to be running some material that's been sitting in the garage for a long time and just decided it's time to get rid of it. But I got my 10-inch Gold Hog stream sluice right here with a little attachment on here, a header box. Gold Hog refers to it as the Power Pig attachment, and it just bolts right onto your sluice box right there, and it shoots the water backwards, which seems kind of weird, but it actually works pretty well. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up and see how it works. We got plenty of water right here, but sometimes you might encounter a situation where you don't even have this much water, but if you dig a hole deep enough for your classifier to fit down into, you can make this work with even less water than I've got right here. Now, of course, it's definitely going to work better if you have a scoop like this from Flower Gold Wizards. But any scoop will work, I guess, but this is the best way to do it. And you can just sprinkle your material on there. It's not all going to flow down all at once, which is kind of a good thing. You can just keep setting as much material on there as you want, and it's not overfeeding it because the water's only going to erode down a little bit at a time, and you can kind of help it like this. This is all black sand, so it's going to wash away really slowly, but if you're just digging some raw pay out of the creek, it's not going to sit there like this. It's going to wash down a lot more quickly, but you can just keep going. Just keep adding material. Shoot, you could probably even dump half a bucket on there all at once. I wouldn't necessarily recommend that, but we'll just set some on there and just kind of let it feed. You know, if it's slowing down, doesn't seem to be feeding, you can just push some of it forward just a little bit at a time, like that. Look at that. And there we go. We got that material in there, roiling around, doing what it's supposed to do. So let's go ahead and feed this thing, do a cleanup, and see if we had any gold just sitting on the garage. Look at all that heavy black sand there. It just kind of wants to sit there, so I just gotta push down a little more like that, and down it flows. It's definitely not overfeeding it, that's for sure. There we go. Get it going down. Nice. Almost done now. Still got a ways to go. Still working its way down. Look at all that black sand. Alright, my bucket's empty now and I'm down towards the end, so you see that black sand's just chilling up here, so I got a little card. Just gonna scrape it on down like that. That last little bit to go down the sluice. This is where a lot of the gold's gonna be. And that last little bit that's left behind. The heaviest stuff is going to be the last to go down. Even though it's all heavy, it's all black sand, so it's pretty heavy stuff anyways. Alright, we're getting there. Alright, that's about as good as it's going to get. So let's go ahead and shut this thing off and do a cleanup. There we go. Still got some material left up there, but that's alright. We're going to make sure that gets all splashed into the bucket, so that's no problem. Take this thing, pull it on out. Put it on down in there. You can just kind of shove it in there like that. Kind of fits right in the bucket. I'm just going to kind of reverse roll it. This. Open up all those riffles. Alright, you can take it. There we go. That should be clean. So it's about time I give away some pay dirt and something from my merch store to one of my members. So we're going to take the gold that we just got, that was just sitting in some buckets of dirt in my garage. Then I'm going to add some gold to that. We're going to make up a bag of pay dirt, and then we're going to do a duck race and find out who's going to get that. So one of my members or patrons is going to get a bag of pay dirt and a shirt from goldiswhereyoufind it.com or a hat. Let's go ahead and see how much gold we got and make up that pay dirt. I'm panning into a catch pan so I can go back through it if I want. We got a lot of that material out of our garage now, so we got some freed up buckets. Well, we definitely found some gold just sitting in our garage. Check that out. Some decent looking pieces in there too. Mixed amongst all that lead up there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's as clean as I'm going to get it. Because that's Yahula Creek dust from Georgia. And I'm not going to clean it all up because I'm going to make one of my members clean it up because we're going to be giving this gold away to one of my members. And how much gold did we get in the garage? Looks like we got 0.081. Nice. Not bad. It's been sitting there for over a year. Sweet. Alright, let's go ahead and make up this pay dirt bag right here. There's some surprises in there from Careless Whispers. Alright. I love my Flower Gold Wizard scoop, but that's not quite getting it done. We're just going to do it like that. I'm going to add, this is some authentic pay dirt material right here. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Now this 0.08 that I'm putting in the bag of pay dirt here, I don't expect anyone to be able to get all of that out. I mean, we zoom in on it, you can see, you know, there's lead mixed in there, but that gold is minus 100 mesh. Without being able to zoom, I mean, that's very, very difficult to pan out. You wouldn't even be able to see that hardly. Let's see if we can zoom in even more though. There's some decent little flakes in there though. I mean, that's maximum zoom right there. That's like 9x or so. That gold is going to be very difficult for you to pan out. It's all from Yahula Creek in Dahlonega, Georgia. And that's micro gold right there. See all the pieces of lead in there with it. So it's not perfectly clean, but This isn't purchased pay dirt, so I'm not guaranteeing an amount of gold anyway, but that did weigh 0.08 for what it's worth. Okay, so there's the 0.2 that I'm going to add to the bag right there, 0.2 grams. And then see this size gold here, and then I add that, the micro powder. And look, it's so small the static gets it stuck. But we're at 0.28 right there. There you see it. I'd say that's a nice fat bag of pay dirt right there. Alright, cool. That ought to be a pretty nice little bag of pay dirt. So let's get everybody lined up at the starting line and fire up this race right about now. Dorothy Richardson, congratulations. I'm not sure if you've ever won before, but Dorothy's been one of my supporters for a long time. So congratulations, Dorothy, and we're gonna have to get in contact. I don't know if I already have your address or not, but I think, yeah, my wife might have it. And let me know what kind of shirt and what size from goldiswhereyoufind.com, and we're gonna get that out to you as soon as possible. But that's going to do it for today's video. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Consider joining to become a member, and maybe get yourself some pay dirt and a shirt. So what else was it? Oh yeah, goldiswhereyoufind.com. That's where you're getting the shirt or the hat from. So go ahead and go on over to the merch store, check it out, buy something, supports the channel. Appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.